With fans eagerly awaiting the release of Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 8, rumors of delays for the upcoming flagship handset continue to crop up. These potential snags could cause a launch 2 to 3 months after the usual September timeframe, and are believed to be due to the amount of new tech and changes to the newest design. Some of the rumored new changes are said to be an edge-to-edge 5.8 OLED screen with a Touch ID sensor potentially integrated into the screen. It's also said to have faster cable charging and a full glass back panel which allows for the removal of the antenna strips as well as wireless charging. Many Apple suppliers are gearing up for the release of the new iPhone 8, preparing to enter into full production to supply Apple's assembly partners with all the hardware they'll need. Apple's mobile processor manufacturer TSMC has reportedly gone into production of brand new 10nm A11 processors for the iPhone 8. There were reportedly issues involved with the production of this chip which caused some delays, but they have since been solved. LG Innotek, the current supplier of dual-lens camera modules for the iPhone 7 Plus, has recently announced a brand new factory which reportedly was needed because the facial recognition modules expected in the iPhone 8 will be both smaller and front-facing. This new tech is set to use a 3D version of facial recognition, offering better accuracy than phones like the Samsung Galaxy S8, which use 2D technology. Samsung, which is believed to be supplying the OLED panels for the new iPhone 8, is also 1 to 2 months behind on the supply of new OLED hardware for Apple. KGI analyst Ming-Chi Kuo recently claimed that full-scale iPhone 8 production might start as late as October or November, meaning the severe supply shortages may persist for a while after the new models are launched. Supply constraints are nothing new to Apple. Last year, the company experienced unusually high sales of the dual-camera iPhone 7 Plus. Tim Cook noted that Apple was unprepared for the shift in demand, which led to supply constraints and lower overall sales. A more appropriate comparison may be the AirPods, which experienced unforeseen delays that pushed back availability to December. 6 months later, AirPods are still sold out, with orders placed today estimated to arrive in 6 weeks. With news of such high demand and supply shortages for these recent Apple products, fans can only hope that the supply issues are solved and Apple ramps up production to address higher demand expected for the iPhone 8. Packed with exciting new technology, Apple's new flagship iPhone 8 is rumored to come with a premium price of more than $1,000. For more news, reviews, and how-tos, check out AppleInsider.com and subscribe to Apple Insider on YouTube.